Okay, so yung pag-aaralin natin ngayon is how to use the product rule in derivatives. So, yung yung formula ng product rule is d over dx of u times v would be equal to u prime times v plus u times v prime. So, ito yung pinaka-formula na gagamitin natin. Yan yung tinatawag na product rule. So, meron tayong sets of example dito. First is, try natin i-derive yung x cubed times cosine x. So, first i-identify natin which is, ano ba yung u? So, here yung sa problem natin ito, yung u natin is yung x cubed. And yung ating v naman is yung cos x. So, then yung u natin is 3x squared dahil yung u prime natin is 3x squared dahil yung ating u is x cubed, and yung ating v prime naman is negative sine x. So dahil meron na tayong nakita na natin yung mga given, so natin gawin is substitution. Ilalagay na natin yung u prime which is 3x squared times v which is cos x plus u which is x cubed times v for v prime which is negative sine x. So to simplify, para makuha natin yung ating final answer, isi-simplify lang natin ito, which is equal to 3x squared cosine x. Since merong negative dito and i-multiply na sa positive, magiging negative. So negative x cubed sine x. So ganun lang siya kadali. Ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. So let's try another problem for the sake of practice. So purong lang natin dito. Okay. So for our next problem, we would be deriving x squared sine 4x squared. Okay. Now, yung ating first na gagawin is to find what is u, where in this case yung u natin is x squared, yung ating v is equal to sine 4x squared. Okay, now yung u prime natin equal to 2x, and yung v prime natin naman is equals to 8x cosine 4x squared. Dahil nakuha na natin yung given, again, isi-substitute na lang natin siya sa formula natin, which is u prime times v plus u times v prime. Okay, so the derivative of x squared sine 4x squared is equal to u prime 2x times sine 4x squared plus u which is x squared times v prime 8x cos 4x squared. To simplify, para makuha natin yung final answer, 2x sine 4x squared plus 8x cubed cosine 4x squared. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. So, ganun lang kadali gamitin yung product rule